On this week's boiler tip, we're looking at valve wraps. Insulation is an important part of our boiler room because it keeps the boiler room temperature down and boosts our overall efficiency by keeping the heat in the system. But when we insulate a valve, sometimes that's a problem because we may need to replace a flange gasket or adjust packing or something like that where we're going to disturb the existing insulation. So a wrap is basically a way that we can still insulate the valve, but when we're finished with our service or maintenance on the unit, we can replace that and not have to pay to have it re-insulated.